160 million years ago, the first birds appeared on our planet. A group of fully feathered theropods, dromaeosaurids, microraptors, and velociraptors. We live among the descendants of dinosaurs. The killing claw of a velociraptor. The talons of birds of prey. Top of the food chain. The ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters, and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Thank you. Hello, ladies. Very good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How is everyone feeling on this hot afternoon? Feeling okay? Thank you. I hope all of you are well hydrated. By the way, my name is Chandra, and I am a raptor ranger. My team and I are passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
Hi, I'm Daria, and together we conduct rescue and release efforts as well as help to take care of the birds here. So today, we are going to introduce you to some of our favorite predators on wings.
So if you are all set, ladies and gentlemen, eyes right up there, let's welcome Susie, our American bald eagle. Now Susie back there is a female, and the females are larger and heavier than the males. Of course, she is no exception. Alright, she's gonna make a flight down all the way to that stump right there. Okay, Susie, right over here, girl. Here she comes. Whoa, nice landing. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, Susie has been with us for almost 25 years. Her strong beak and powerful talents make her an unmatched huntress.
Now, Susie right here weighs 4.7 kilograms. At high speeds, she can lift a prey of up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
That's right. And here's an interesting fact about the bald eagle's nest. They build really huge, looks like you can't wait to go back home. By the way, they build really huge nests. Alright, you're wondering how big the nest is? It's about 10 feet wide, alright? Let's take this marker.
So he's going to demonstrate what 10 feet looks like.
Yeah, right. This wide and 20 feet tall. Pretty impressive, right? There you go. Okay, Susie, you want to come back over here? Alrighty, there you go. Let's give a big round of applause, everyone. A lovely ball. Thank you. Nadia, you want to hear the call?
Now let's look at the call everyone to Predator! Let's now send our white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagles are the largest bird of prey living spots in the skies in Singapore.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the white-bellied sea eagles have rough undersides, which enable them to get a good grip on slippery and struggling prey, for example, like fish and even snakes. Talking about snakes, these birds are specialists in hunting venomous banded sea creatures. They are known to snatch them from the surface of the water. So today, we're going to watch Nelson make an attempt to fly down and snatch away a replica of a banded sea creature that Daria has right there. In the meantime, we're going to make sure he flies for his vantage point right there. Off he goes. Okay, while he's getting ready, let me show you the replica of the snake right over there.
This is a replica of a venomous banded sea creature. Keep your eyes on Nelson. It's going to happen pretty quick. Whenever you're ready, Nelson, here he comes. In goes the snake. Diving down and
Oh, that was really close. Not to worry, because he actually snatched it away, but then dropped it halfway though. Well, that was a very good attempt. Now, for those of you who missed that, take a look at the big screen. We have a replay. There you go. Another big round of applause for Nelson, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Chandra, the white-bellied sea eagles are actually one of my favorite birds you can spot in Singapore.
Well, I have another rabbit that I really like, which is commonly found right here in Singapore. And she's right up there. Sapphire, the brownie guy. Whoa! These birds are extremely agile and maneuverable in flight. Now, the brownie kite may be a mid-sized raptor, but don't let the size fool you because this bird is capable of snatching food away from a bird as big as Nelson. That's how fast they are, right? Watch it glide down. Ooh, nice landing there.
Now it's easy to spot the differences between these two birds. So the first would be the obvious size. And then the coloration, last but not least, the shape of their wings. So white-bellied sea eagles, they have V-shaped wings with a wedge-shaped tail.
As for the brownie kites, they are brownish in color and they have M-shaped wings with a U-shaped tail. Okay, looks like Sapphire can't wait to hit back home. Alright, relax. Time for you to hit back home. Hold, is that a way?
Let's give Sapphire a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Each year, 2 million raptors begin their migratory journey from Europe and Asia to Africa. It is a perilous journey, and thousands never make it to their destination.
Ladies and gentlemen, thousands of these birds are being killed for sport. So we will need your help to save and protect them, or our skies will soon be empty.
Birds of prey are vital to the health of our planet. They help to remove all sick animals as well as get rid of dead carcasses. One bird in particular helps us with pest control, and that bird is the owl. Now the rodents, they hunt, never hear them coming. So that are joining us, we have Massive, our Malay fish owl, and Soren the barn owl.
Well, Zaga, you mentioned something about something close to silent flight, right?
Yeah, that's right, Chandra.
The reason why owls are capable of silent flight is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this extremely soft edge at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers. And not only that, these birds have excellent eyesight, binocular vision.
Now, not only do they have very good eyesight, but the colors of their eyes actually tells us when they like to hunt. So owls with yellow eyes, they tend to hunt during the day. Owls with orange eyes, they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. Last but not least, owls with black eyes, they like to hunt at night. So with that in mind, let's give a round of applause for our lovely owls, Martin and Soren.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most widely misunderstood bird of prey in the world would be the vulture. Now, vultures are usually portrayed as evil birds. When we watch TV, you see vultures flying high up in the sky, soaring high up. There is evil music going on, that's right. And of course, a sense of impending doom. Well, let us all tell you the real story.
That's right. Vultures use columns of air to fly and glide. while searching for dead animals using their sense of sight and smell. Vultures prevent the spread of diseases.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Zena, turkey vulture. The turkey vultures can be found in the Americas and they are pretty abundantly in the wild, close to about 10 million of them. And these birds have excellent sense of smell. They're able to pick up the stench of rotting carcass from miles away.
So this means that the turkey vultures are usually the first on the scene of the others. Other vultures would follow suit, but the other vultures will be doing the hard work of tearing apart the tough skin of the animals.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, here's an interesting fact about a turkey vulture. Their stomach acid is acidic as cow batteries, which enable them to digest carrion pretty well, right? Okay, thank you very much, Zena. Home is back with Lena. Okay, bye-bye. You don't want to go back home? You know what she's waiting for? A round of applause, let's give it to her. There you go. Very good, turkey vulture. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen a vulture from the Americas. The next one making its way out is an Asian species. In fact, it was actually rescued and does back to health right here in Singapore. So everyone, hold your breath and behold the mighty Genghis. Our Himalayan griffon vulture. Allow me to share a story about Genghis over here. Back in 2005, a young Himalayan griffon vulture was on its migratory route from the Tibetan Plateau all the way to Thailand for winter. And during this migration journey, Genghis was actually found to be very weak and dehydrated right here in Singapore, in Orchard Road. So the authorities contacted us and we managed to rescue him and nurse him back to good health.
Unfortunately, Genghis suffered an injury which prevented him from being released back into the wild. So he is now a very special member of our raptor family. And he definitely lives up to his name, Genghis.
Let's begin. A big round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Everyone, all eyes on the big screen right now. Take a look at the scene. A very chaotic scene. Lots of vultures feeding on a huge carcass. Many species, including American stock, a very disorganized mess.
Vultures are a social species and they respect their place in the pecking order. So when vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
So let's meet the first vultures for the meal. We have our African white-backed vultures, and here they come. Ladies and gentlemen, these birds can be found in Africa, and they are pretty aggressive feeders. About 100 to 200 white-backed vultures are capable of stripping down a carcass within minutes. That is how fast they are. And these birds, unfortunately, are critically endangered. Not many of them left in the wild. And of course, we have one more scavenger species to show all of you. So everyone is right back there. Let's welcome the Mandai Star. The Mandai dogs can also be found in Africa, and they're known to coexist with vultures in the wild. They're known to feed on a huge carcass together. These marabou storks have dagger-like beaks and a stern old man face.
They coexist and cooperate with vultures, joining them in the feast. About 11 species of vultures in Africa clean up 70% of the continent's carrion. So we would be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
That is right, ladies and gentlemen. Throughout the world, we are losing these birds at an alarming rate due to various reasons. For example, like deforestation, deliberate poisoning, electrocution, and superstitious beliefs. conservation efforts will be the only way to save these birds from extinction. So let us all show our appreciation for these wonderful birds that be keeping our environment clean and safe. Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you.
Today you've met raptors and scavengers, these kings of the skies and walkers of our earth. They are a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. And if we lose them, we lose a part of our family.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us this afternoon. And having said that, let us all learn to live in harmony with all predators conflict. Thank you so much. With that, we have come to the end of our presentation, and we hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have in presenting it to you. Before you go, please remember to take all your belongings with you.